You can update who is going to be grading the assessment at any stage. First of all, you're going to choose the assessment that you would like to update your team roster for. On the left-hand side, navigate to the team section here. You'll see all of the team members who are currently assigned to grade this assessment. And to customize this, select Customize Team. If you have a long list of graders, you can use the search bar at the top to search for the specific grader you would like to remove or team member you'd like to remove. And then you can use this check beside their name to deselect them. So you'll see that's updated to 2 out of 3 at the top here. If you did want to remove all graders, or if you had lots of facilitators, you'd have a tab here that said facilitators. If you wanted to remove all graders, say, from the assessment, you come to the grader tab. You can use the checkbox at the top there to remove both graders from the assessment. And now you'll see here that it's just the one instructor who will be able to grade this assessment. And then you'll go ahead and select Save there. And you'll see that that's updated in your team roster here.